Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your likes videos on your accounts on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all you have to go to the Rednote, enter the application. Now as you see you are on the home section, go here on the profile and the bottom and the right, and as you see here you will find the posts and the collects, and last thing you will find the the likes. So as you see here, all the likes videos, you will find them here. That's how to find your likes videos on your account on Rednote easy and quickly, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.